Box para tingnan yung lahat ng kanilang mga toy collection. Let's go! Nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Auntie's Toy Box. Isang haven ito para sa lahat ng mga toy collectors dyan. Kung mahilig kayo sa Pokemon at Nendoroids, naku, matutuwa kayo sa makikita nyo dito sa vlog na ito. Tara, samahan nyo ako as we explore their amazing collection. Naku, pagpasok nyo pa nga lang dito, grabe guys, ang dami na agad makikita. Look at this wall display. Sobrang daming Pokemon figures. Nakaka-overwhelm pero in a good way. Naku, Auntie's Toy Box talaga is every collector's dream come true. At hindi lang siya puro Pokemon. Meron din silang iba't ibang klase ng mga Nendoroids na sobrang detailed. Naku, at napansin nyo ba yung lighting? Naku, perfect na perfect para sa mga displays. Naka-label pa yan lahat. Mula sa Generation 1, Generation 2, and so on. Napakatyaga ng pagkakadisplay nito, no? Isipin nyo naman, paano ito nililinis? Ang sabi nga, isa-isa daw niya yung pinupunasan. Pwede isang shelf, isang week, then sa susunod na naman, na week, isang shelf na naman. Naku, napakadami talaga ng mga toys na ito. Alright, zoom in tayo dito sa Pokemon collection. Naku, gosh guys, they have everything. From the classic Generation 1 Pokemon like Pikachu and Charizard, up to the newer ones. Ang ganda talaga ng details sa mga figures, lalo na yung mga shines. Alam nyo ba, collecting Pokemon figures is not just a hobby. It's a way to celebrate the franchise that we grew up with. At kapag nakadisplay na nga sila ng ganito, naku, parang nagiging centerpiece ng bahay mo. Plus, it's a great way to connect with fellow collectors who share the same passion. Nagkakaroon ka ng mga iba't ibang klaseng friends na mahilig din mag-collect. Saka kung fan ka talaga, it feels like you're preserving a piece of your childhood. Ang saya balikan ng mga memories. Ito, isa-isahin natin tingnan ng mga shelf. Tingnan nyo maigi ang bawat laruan na nakadisplay dito. Ito naman at meron siyang Pokédex collection. Tingnan nyo naman, lahat may label. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan niya nakuha ang lahat ng klase ng mga Pokédex na ito. At may mga trophies pa. At dito naman makikita ang mas malalaki pang mga figures. Naku, ang mamahal siguro ng mga ito, pero sulit. Naku, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-effort gawin ito. Isang napakalaking wall display ng mga Pokemon sa nasa loob ng Game Boy. Tingnan nyo naman, kada isang Pokemon meron siyang sariling square. Tapos, meron pa siyang pangalan. Ang nagpaganda pa sa kanya lalo ay yung lights. Pati nga ang relo niya at ang mga wall art displays niya ay puro mga Pokemons. Okay, now punta naman tayo sa Nendoroid section. Ako guys, sobrang cute nila. From anime characters to Disney characters and Studio Ghibli characters din. Meron ding mga gaming icons like Link from Zelda and Kirby. Naku, napakadami nyo talaga makikita dito. Ang maganda sa Nendoroids, sobrang versatile nila. You can post them, customize them, and even create a mini diorama. Naku, perfect ito for photography at para lang gawing stress reliever. Imagine, habang inaayos mo sila, you're relaxing and being creative at the same time. And if you are an anime or game fan, it's like bringing your favorite characters to life. Collecting these figures also builds a sense of accomplishment. Lalo na kapag nahanap mo yung rare pieces na gusto mo. Naku, tingnan nyo naman itong table na to. Isang napakalaking Game Boy Advance. Tapos, yung glass niya parang isang screen na may diorama sa loob. Grabe, sobrang tiyaga talaga para magawa mo to. Naku, tingnan nyo naman ito. Napaka-cute. Parang mga chibi version sila. At habang patuloy pa nga natin tinitingnan ng mga bawat toy sa collection niya, let's talk about toy collecting. Akala kasi ng iba, simple lang ito. But behind every figure, every collectible, and every display is a story of passion, patience, and perseverance. Ang toy collecting, hindi lang yan basta-basta pagbili ng laruan. It's journey. Minsan, years ang inaabot para makumpleto mo ang isang set or makuha mo ang rare piece na matagal mo nang hinahanap. It teaches you patience kasi hindi lahat ng gusto mo makukuha mo agad. But when you finally get it, naku, yung feeling, sobrang priceless. This hobby also builds willpower. Hindi lahat ng araw may budget. Sometimes, you have to choose wisely. Tipong bibili ka ba ngayon or mag-aantay ka para makuha yung mas special na item? Discipline is key. Kasi hindi lang ito about having a collection. It's about creating something meaningful to you. At higit sa lahat, toy collecting reminds us of the joy of childhood. Sa bawat figure na hawak mo, you're preserving memories, moments, and even a piece of yourself. It's a celebration of things that make you happy, and it is a reminder to never stop being curious, excited, and inspired. Kaya sa mga toy collectors out there, keep going. Whether you're starting or malapit na makumpleto ang dream collection mo, remember that every piece you add isn't just a toy. It's a symbol of your dedication and love for what you do. Kaya proud na proud tayo dapat dyan. Kaya kolektor ka man ng Pokemon, Nendoroids, o iba pang toys, know that you're part of an amazing community na nagpapatunay na ang passion at determination can turn simple things into something extraordinary. At kung gusto mo pa na mas exciting na experience, try attending toy conventions and events. Dito mo makikita ang iba't ibang collections, sobrang rare items, at mga bagong releases. Plus, these events are perfect for meeting like-minded people. Minsan pa nga, you'll meet seasoned collectors who will inspire with their stories and even give you advice. Saka let's admit it, yung energy sa mga events na to, naku, grabe, nakakabuhay ng loob. Toy collecting isn't just about the toys. It's about the connections you make. Whether it's trading a piece, swapping stories, or collaborating sa mga mini projects like toy photography or diorama setups, ang daming ways para ma-enjoy mo ang hobby na to with others. Toy collecting can actually help with your mental health. Alam nyo, this hobby isn't just about toys or displays. It's about finding joy and peace in the little things. In a world na sobrang busy at stressful, lalo na sa mga panahon ngayon, naku, toy collecting gives us a chance to slow down and focus on something we love. Kapag hawak mo yung bagong figure na dumating, or inaayos mo yung display mo, it's like therapy. You're in the moment, and all your worries fade away. Parang bumabalik ka lang sa pagkabata, where everything feels simple and magical. Naku, at hindi lang yan. It is also a great way to manage stress and anxiety. When life feels overwhelming, just looking at your collection or arranging your toys can bring a sense of calm. It's like having a personal space where you can escape and recharge. Plus, it gives you a creative outlet. Lalo na kung mahilig ka mag-photo setups, dioramas, or even customizing your figures. And like what I've said earlier, toy collecting collects you to a community. Talking to fellow collectors, sharing tips, and even bonding over your favorite characters reminds you that you're never alone. Ang saya na may mga tao kang nakaka-relate sa passion mo at naiintindihan yung joy ng dala ng simple na pagbubukas ng bagong figure. Ultimately, toy collecting is more than just a hobby. It's a form of self-care. It reminds us to celebrate the things that makes us happy, no matter how small they seem. It's proof that sometimes happiness can come in the form of a little figure, a big display, or a shared smile with a fellow collector. Kaya kung minsan napapagod ka na sa mundo, huwag kalimutan na may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Whether it's adding a new piece to your collection, or simply appreciating what you already have. Toy collecting is a way to nurture not just your passion, but also your mind and soul. Remember, your happiness matters, and you deserve every moment of it. And here's something we all need to remember. Toy collecting doesn't have to be rushed. Hindi kailangan kumpleto agad or sobrang grand. It's a journey that's meant to be savored. Each piece you add is a step forward, and each display you create is a reflection of your growth, not just a collector, but as a person. This hobby also teaches us the value of patience and gratitude. Yung tipong kahit matagal dumating yung pre-order mo o mahal yung item na gusto mo, natututo ka maghintay at mag-appreciate kung ano ang meron ka ngayon. It's a gentle reminder that good things come to those who wait. For anyone who's hesitant to start collecting dahil iniisip nila kung baka sayang lang, tandaan nyo, your happiness is never a waste. If it brings you joy, if it brings you something to look forward to, and if it reminds you to take care of yourself, then it's worth it. You deserve to invest in your happiness. But always remember na dapat unahin din natin ang mas mahahalagang bagay. Yung mga gastusin ng pamilya, yung savings, yung pagtulong sa ibang tao, sa family mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, at yung mga offerings mo para sa church. At kung meron pang matitirang extra bukod sa mga ito, pwede mo na itong gawin ang toy collecting. Life can be challenging at times, pero kapag tumitingin ka sa collection mo, mapapaisip ka, kaya ko pala. Kaya kong pagtrabahuhan ang gusto ko. Kaya kong maging masaya sa simpleng bagay. And that's what makes toy collecting so powerful. It teaches us resilience, gratitude, and the ability to find joy in small things. At alam niyo ba kung ano pang nakakatuwa sa toy collecting? Para nagtatayo ka ng tulay between your past, present, and future. Bawat figure na kinukolekta mo, parang paalala kung sino ka noong una na na-inlove sa character or series na yan. At habang iniipon mo sila ngayon, binubuo mo rin ang future self mo. Isang collector na may kwento at dedikasyon. Balang araw, titingnan mo ang collection mo at mapapangiti ka. Remembering all the joy and effort na binuhos mo para makuha ito. At napapansin niyo ba kung paano tinuturuan tayo ng toy collecting na i-appreciate ang craftsmanship at attention to detail? Bawat figure ay produkto ng mahabang oras ng design at creativity. Yung intricate na paintwork, yung perfect na sculpting, at kung paano nabubuhay ang bawat piece. It's like owning a small masterpiece. Bilang collectors, naiintindihan natin ang value ng artistry. Kaya sobrang worth it ang bawat figure na meron tayo. At isa pang maganda sa toy collecting ay napaglalapit nito ang pamilya. Na-share mo na ba ang passion mo sa anak mo, sa kapatid, o pati magulang mo? Nakakatuwang isipin na ang hobby na ito ay kaya mag-connect ng iba't ibang henerasyon. Para sa iba, ang pagkokolekta ay paraan para maipasa ang love sa isang franchise o para turuan ng mga bata ng value ng patience at care. It's a shared experience na nagbibigay ng lasting memories. At ito pa, toy collecting teaches us to celebrate progress, not perfection. Hindi kailangan kumpleto agad ang collection mo o pinakamalaki ito para maging meaningful. Bawat figure na nadadagdag mo, bawat piece na iniingatan mo, ay isang hakbang sa journey mo at sa buhay. Di ba ganun din? Ang importante ay ang progress at happiness na nagdadala nito sa'yo habang tumatagal. So there you have it, guys! Sobrang epic na experience dito sa Andy's Toy Box. Ang dami mong pwedeng makita at makolekt. Whether it's Pokemon figures or Nendoroids, siguradong sulit na sulit. Kaya napakaswerte talaga namin na napagbigyan kami para makita ang toy collection na ito. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more adventures. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa susunod. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye!